As-Salaam Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today, inshaAllah, we will discover how Ramadan can benefit our health. Did you know that fasting can cleanse our bodies from the harmful foods we have consumed? When we fast and abstain from eating for hours, our bodies get a much-needed break and have the opportunity to flush out toxins. It's important to break our fast with a small, healthy meal, as this can help us become healthier and stronger, preparing us to worship Allah during the nights of Ramadan. It's also crucial to take our time while eating and avoid eating too quickly, as overeating can lead to feeling tired and sometimes even sick. Do you know which healthy fruit Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to break his fast? Yes, it was dates. This is a sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Dates are not only nutritious and beneficial for our health, but they also provide us with energy, enabling us to stand in prayer during the nights of Ramadan. Inshallah, see you in the next reminder. And always remember to be good to your parents and kind to others. As-Salaam Alaikum.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स विद इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।